Very good evening, guys. Today in the front of us, Mr. Sanjeev, who will cure all India IR one. Congratulations, Sanjeev.
Thank you very much, sir.
How are you, Sanjeev?
I'm doing good, sir.
Yeah, very congratulations, yeah, for securing IR one.
Thank you very
Because
much.
it is a dream for the student for securing IR one. I think you will
Yes, sir.
never ever forget this time, right?
No,
Okay,
sir.
so I hope, guys, you will you will get us some knowledge. I hope you will find your mistakes during your preparation. Sanjeev will guide you about the gate preparation, and I will also ask him his gate preparation journey, all the things. So Sanjeev, can you tell me about your brief introduction about yourself, that where belong you
Yes,
and
sir.
you are done your BTech like that?
Sir, I'm originally from Bangalore. My native is Bangalore only. I've done my BTech in BMS College of Engineering, Bangalore, and I'm 2023 pass out. I appeared for GATE in 2023 as well, but I did not secure a good rank. So I got in EC I got around 2,700, and in instrumentation it was 1,100. So I decided to reappear in 2024.
Also appear in gate 2023 in EC or IN
Yes, sir.
both.
Yes, sir. EC and IN both.
Okay, but now this time in this subject did you appear?
This time I appeared for IN and BM,
BM.
biomedical.
So in
Yes, sir.
BM, are you secure in IR one?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to secure? Okay, great. So in BM biomedical, I think most of the people are not aware about this branch because
Yes, yes,
they will think or thought, yeah, it is not good branch, but because there is no any opportunity. But it is not like that.
no, sir.
Biomedical also a growing field.
Yeah,
So
yes, sir.
what is the motivation behind you that you will select this branch and start your preparation in this branch?
Yes, sir. Sir, to be frank, even I was like most of the aspirants. I was thinking that biomedical, like you said, is not a good branch, or maybe there are no future prospects, no seats for MTech, PSU, MS, and all that. But then later on, when I researched, I got to know that it is actually a growing field, and then there are many things coming up. Like, for example, Elon Musk has done a Neuralink, so in all such, so he aims to cure many diseases in the modern day world, like Parkinson's or cancer and all that. So that is one. I also wanted to work in some areas like that. That is one thing. Another thing is that in my college during BTech, I had taken an elective in the same biomedical engineering. So there I got a very brief introduction to what it is actually, and those subjects like very fascinate. They fascinated me a lot. Basically, things like how do you get the electric signal from heart and all that. So that was another motivation. So
Okay,
these two were the main motivation.
great. So thank you, yaar. Great experience with you. So this is the main motivation behind behind your preparation.
Yes,
So
sir.
I want to ask one thing. When we saw your result on the ICC Bangalore portal, then what is your first expression? What is your first reaction on it?
So like I thought that I would be getting in top five because my marks is 54.3, and usually top five, worst case top 10 will be there, but I did not expect AIR one. So I was like very stunned, and I was getting multiple emotions at the same time, like happiness and then felt like crying and all that. So it was basically a mix of emotions, I can
And
say.
what is your family reaction when you heard about?
They were very happy, sir, about it.
Uh, it? Actually, in AIR1, if you get AIR1, it is a much pleasure, yeah. Because
Yes, sir.
everyone wants to get AIR1, but I think it's dream for the all students who
Yes, sir.
preparing for the gate, who wants to prepare for the gate,
Yes.
but you will able. So I want to ask one thing. Uh,
Yes, sir.
how did you prepare and how did you manage during the preparation test series, and how did you manage your motivation and all the things during preparation?
Sir, my main yes,
When did you start the preparation first thing?
sir, my preparation, I actually, the thing is that I initially thought of appearing for IN. So I started my preparation as early as 2020 itself. But what happened was I was not mature enough to know how to handle college and GATE. So I spent majority of my time in college. I neglected GATE a lot because my college is, it's, I think second in Karnataka, second best in Karnataka. So they also expect a lot of odd out of us. So there was a lot of pressure as well. So my major time went in doing college stuff and all that. So I in 2022 when I appeared for GATE IN, I just crossed the cutoff. I think I got 38 marks or something. So it was just the cutoff, and so I was not able to study either in 2023 because internships, projects, and all was there. So I started proper preparation rigorously from 23, I can say July onwards.
Okay, okay.
But I had a brief idea of the subjects in like I think a year before that itself, after my very first attempt of GATE.
Yeah, but when you started the preparation, you will start from the IN or EC, not from biomedical.
No, no, I biomedical I started in October, sir.
Okay,
October 23.
okay. Then what is the syllabus? It is too similar to IN, EC, biomedical, or something different.
The thing is, sir, if we talk about biomedical syllabus, 70% is similar to IN, I can say. And IN, as we know, it has similar subjects to EC. So, subjects like analog electronics, digital, and measurements, control, signals, everything that we study in EC and IN, the same thing is in BM. But there is a slight difference that we study more related to biomedical applications like sensors for ECG, sensors for EMG, and all that. And then there are 2 3 subjects that are core biomedical, like medical imaging, human anatomy, and biomechanics, and all that.
Okay, okay,
So
great.
yes,
Now
these
I'm
are the
going
core
to
main
ask a
subjects.
very good question because every student wants to know about it. Uh,
Yes,
how
sir.
did you manage your test series? Even if you got less marks or good marks, then how did you manage? When did you
Yes,
start
sir.
get test series?
Yes, sir. So to be frank, like I did one mistake in test series. That is what I advise other students not to do. My major mistake was that I did not attempt test series properly. I started it very late.
Okay,
Because one thing is that my BM preparation itself started late. So I started it, I think, 13th or 14th January 2023, 24, sorry. So obviously, I was not able to correct a lot of silly mistakes. And unfortunately, the similar type of mistakes happened in the main exam.
okay,
So I used to get decent marks itself, but there are times when I got very low marks, very less than my expectation. So in such cases, like what I used to do, I would definitely feel bad like any other student, and then I would spend some time to see where I have made those mistakes and correct them, and then just iterate the same thing and move on. But I would rather suggest the students that the moment you complete a chapter or the subject, if you have any test series for that, you please attempt it and note down in a mistake book. I think, sir, you would have told it in your YouTube book, YouTube this thing
okay.
better than me. So the mistake book, how to maintain and all that. So I did unfortunately did that at the very fang end. So
Oh,
that
great. Okay, I
affected a
would
little
like
bit.
to also ask one thing. And what is your rank during the test series?
Sir, the thing is, I joined a personal tutor for biomedical. Like, there is only one tutor. His name is, I think yeah, he runs a institute called Kalams and Krishnans. So his
Okay,
name is Jayave. So in that, actually, he has designed a test series in such a way that it fits the gate model, but we don't get a rank or anything as such. But he was telling me that you can be in at least top 10, 6. That was his analysis. So there was no such rank or anything that was generated that time.
great, yeah, great. So, from your side, what is the ideal time to start giving the test series?
Sir, when we talk about general test series, I would say that like there are subsets of the same test series, right? Like topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise, and all that. So the moment we complete that, okay. So if I'm talking about a subject, let us say that I completed it this week. What I will do is I will revise the full notes very quickly, give a 1 week gap, 1 week or 5 days gap, and then after that, without opening those notes, we have to attempt the test series to see how much retention capacity is there, and then we will understand where we have made, where are the loopholes, where should I relearn, and all that.
Great,
That
great.
is for those who have sufficient time. For those who do not have that, I would say rigorously start giving full and test series. That should be at least December last week or January first week. And then we have last few days of the gate exam when the gate exam is very close. We must focus solely on what mistakes have I made, or where is the concept lagging, and then work on those.
Okay, great. Means after completion of the one subject, you will start the test series or waiting for the whole subject completion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After one subject, we will start the test series for the particular subject.
It is best to do that.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
great.
Yes, sir.
So, Sanjeev, how the PYQ made help in your rank?
Sir, very honestly, PYQs are the only ones that I solved. So, EC, EE, and IN, these three branches, 36 years PYQ, we'll be getting a book everywhere in the market. So, that I have solved at least 3 times. And I personally suggest all the GATE aspirants to do the same thing because uh, they will give an idea as to how the main exam is going to be. And definitely, one can get a very good rank even if they just focus on PYQs. If they don't have time to solve very high questions, advanced questions, PYQs are sufficient. So it really helped me a lot because similar concepts will repeat in the exam. Even if not similar, they give a direction as to how we should think in the exam.
Concept will be repeated.
That is very yes, sir.
Good. Concept will definitely repeated in the PYQ and as well as real GATE examination. I also told many students, please solve the PYQ properly with honesty, because
Yes, sir.
even if you solve the PYQ, then also you will get a very good rank.
Yes, sir.
So
That is it.
one question also, can you describe how many subjects did you complete? How many subjects you completed?
Sir, yes, sir. I can tell how many I left because so I think I left around 2.5 to 3 subjects. I did not study them because I told you right. I started in October.
In the percentage, you can tell about the percentage. How much percentage you covered?
I think I covered around 75 to I think 70 to 75 to be precise.
Oh, great. Means if the people covered 70-80%, then he will also they will also get a very good rank.
Yes, sir. But they should be very careful in choosing because the subjects that I left combined they were coming for I think maximum 10 to 12 marks. That's all, not more than that.
Okay. Means
So that much worth I have left. Others I was able to answer.
okay. Means you prepare very smartly. Oh, great.
Yes, sir. That is the key for all competitive exams. We
Yeah,
cannot. It's very difficult to study all the subjects.
that's
That's
why
for
now
sure.
you different from the other people. We will. So, yeah, you're one. So great, yeah, Sandeep. So guys,
Thank you.
you can also see even if you prepare 70-80%, then also you will get a very good rank. Yeah. So this example, Sanjeev's example in the front of us, he will secure a very good rank. Again, I tell
Thank,
you. So congratulations, yeah, Sandeep. Sanjeev.
thank you very much, sir.
So Sanjeev, one thing also I want to ask, what is the scope of biomedical in the IITs, NITs, ISC or PSUs in the current situation?
Uh, yes, sir. Sir, many people think that biomedical means they won't get enough seats into desired, like trending branches or upcoming branches, but that's not true because even if you look at IISc or IITs, they have some core electronic branches like engineering system, electronic system engineering, and things like signal processing, if I'm not wrong. And then there is integrated circuit design. There are many core electronic branches that employ biomedical engineers, and then there are also these upcoming branches like robotics and autonomous systems.
Yes,
They
yes.
are actually the future. They are working on very good technologies. So these branches also need biomedical students. So it is not that there is no scope. There are definitely good branches that take BM engineers.
Yes, great. Also, I would like to say biomedical is also very growing field. So if you proceed in the if you appear in the biomedical, then you will also get a good branch like integrated circuit and signal processing, which is related to the biomedical also. Because many researchers they do research in the signal processing which is related to the biomedical. And in the past 2 years, you also see current COVID pandemic. In the COVID pandemic, there is a lot of biomedical research ongoing. I hope you will also know, and I think you know. So, Sanjeev, what is your thought? Where you look the future in the ISC, IIT, or PSU?
I'll prefer MTech, sir,
Oh,
in
great, great,
IAC or IIT.
oh, great. I will also suggest to go for the MTech because you will get a very exposure
Yes, sir.
instead of PSU, because IIT
Yes, sir.
provide a very good exposure and placement also. If you're looking for the placement or research work, then ISC or IIT will provide a very good. I hope you will get a
Yes, sir.
very good college and with very good
Thank
branch.
you very much.
I wish to you be happy and secure
Thank you.
very good rank in the upcoming
Thank
MTech
you.
as well as during placement interview or if you want to do research. Okay. Thank you, Sanjeev.
Thank you very much, sir.